Yes, people, so you don't know what I'm going right now. So look, the jerk chicken, them dip on the thing, and I go on with the, what? We're just gonna put some beer, some red stripe beer right now. With them, I put some red stripe beer, people. Beer smoke, a good vibe, just to get that flavor that we want going, people, yeah? A good vibe, look at that, wow. Yes, people, you don't know what I'm going, 24-hour kitchen with there, so yes, a good vibes. This is MAGA, boy.
Yeah, top man.
Yeah, a good vibes. Alright, see what I go on your people, so MAGA boy, there's how I deal with it. Look at now. Curry goat people, yeah. Wow, look at that. So yeah man, big up MAGA boy, cause MAGA boy the outside. And mash up the kitchen right now, people, yeah. So we got some fried fish on the fire. A good vibes. So MAGA boy, how are you so? Mad thing. See soup here, so now a mad thing, man. You know play. Yeah, man, a good vibes. And we have the jerk pan people there, so a good vibes. What's better than the outside cooking, people, yeah? You don't know where I go on, food setup, everything I go on, people. The kitchen there, way. What I do, you know? That me I talk about, man. See, MAGA boy there, I carry rim where I cook pan to the people, yeah? You never see this before. But the first time I see this, yeah, I carry rim cooking. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Wow, look at that, everyone. So, you don't know, so the fish have to fry to a nice golden complexion. We not burn them, you know. We just fry them nice. As you can see, we have scotch bonnet pepper in the oil, everybody. So good vibes. Yeah, man, and we have over here so right now some curry goat. I just go and stewed on it. It's almost at its last stages right now, people. Wow, curry goat. If you love a curry goat, let me know what I go on in the comment section, people. Right now, I fry some fish, you know, and a draught thing. So what MAGA boy is doing right now, everybody, is just adding some more coal to the fire. So we'll take off the curry goat and we're going to set on a new pot right now and kick it off again with some rice and peas. You don't know a thing set, people, yeah? So we have to blaze up the fire again and then you know so things are going again. See it there? Good vibes.
Pot pan fire.
Pot pan fire set on. You see them big pot people, I know normal pot, them can't cook in your kitchen. Them pot you can't set on in your kitchen, you know? Yeah man, you have to set up your kitchen outside and carry him to make the operation now work.
Still on the kitchen them please say it.
Them big piece of one fry some more man.
So that piece. I push them in.
That's what I'm talking about, you know, one pallet of fish. Yeah, man. Look how these fishes have been fried, people, yeah. Nice and golden. Yeah, man. A good vibes. So we got these two pieces there in the oil. We're just making them, make them go and fry a little bit more. A good vibes. Big up yourself if you just come into the program. You don't know what I'm going on. A 24-hour kitchen. We're there, you know. Yeah, man. A good vibes. See there? Fried fish. Right now what I'm doing, I'm adding the grill, putting the grill in on the jerk pan. See grill here, everybody. So a good vibes. Ready to start jerks on chicken, you know, people. A good vibes. Alright, this is a proper setup what we got here right now, you know. We got the kitchen set up outside. Now that things are rolling, the camera is also rolling, people. Big up yourself. We've got the headline show on the 27th of January. Make sure that you get your tickets, people. Yeah, the tickets are selling out very fast. Yeah, man, you can either DM myself or you can DM m.r. A good vibes. You can hit us up on the Instagram as well, people, yeah. Make sure, say, you have your space for this show here. Come celebrate with us 2024 January. You don't know what I go on. London City, this is where it's at, people, yeah. But right now you don't know, so Ringo in the kitchen, and what we are doing, we is cooking. Yeah man, MAGA boy, I kick it off today, you know. I know me are the chef, you know. I'm assisting MAGA boy to the inside of the thing, people. So see MAGA boy, and me teach him how to cook said way too, you know. Not true, John? Yeah. A long time me I
teach one.
Eh?
But me all on you, so me more to teach.
Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. So I'm more fish a fry. Well marinated, everybody here. What me say? The one here is well marinated. Let me zoom in on the camera here so you can see what I go on. Pimento seed, garlic. See it, let me show you. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man, this one is well seasoned up, people here. Overnight, same thing we are talking about, you know. When we say jerk chicken, people here, authentic Jamaican jerk chicken here. Go on. See what I go on? You hear the sizzling? That's what I'm talking about, people, yeah. Are good vibes. So we could just load up the jerk pan right now. Good vibes. Yes, people, so you don't know what I go on right now. So look, the jerk chicken them dip on the thing and I go on with the what? I'm just gonna put some beer, some red stripe beer right now. With them I put some red stripe beer, people. Beer smoke. A good vibe, just to get that flavour that we want going, people, yeah. A good vibe, look at that. Wow. That beer smoke I come up right now, yeah. So look, MAGA boy over there, so now the soup pot said we, yeah man, we add some water from the kettle said we, so our good vibes.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
That in the man me I talk about, you know, see fish them just come out of the aisle. Nothing no better than when you just get hot piping fish just coming out the oil, people, yeah. Look at that, man. I talk about, man, say some Jamaican fried fish are going right, so you know, alongside some jerk chicken, you know. Let me show you the jerk chicken. It's so smoky that you can hardly see inside of the jerk pan, people, yeah. So we're gonna wait for some of the smoke to just dissolve away, and then look at this wagwan. It's still, me spin the camera around, you guys can see what's happening right now. Big up yourself if you just come into the video right now. You don't know wagwan. Make sure, say, you are. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know wagwan if you like the vlogs that's been coming out on the channel. Also, the channel is gonna be consistent. Just an update. The channel is gonna be consistent of cooking, traveling, and music, people. Yeah. So as you can see, that I've uploaded the first video for Icy Streets. Check out that video there with Style OG, people. Yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know what I want. Let me say jerk chicken.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
Wow, what's better than when you garnish the fish? You just see what I want. What we just put on the fish was just the garnish, people, yeah? You understand that was in vinegar and Scotch bonnet pepper, so it's just onions, carrot, and the red, gold, and green pepper, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah, man, you don't know, so we are playing some music, said we, yeah? So, back in the vibes again, said we, yeah? Yeah, man, our good vibes, people. So we are cook and what? Oh, yeah.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how
What we're doing right now, everybody, yeah, the chicken has been seasoned up, marinated. Wow, flavors is kicking off. So the next stage now, we add, this is our batter mix, and then this is our flour mix. What's going on, people? The amazing, authentic Jamaican fried chicken. Yeah, man, the best Jamaican fried chicken out of England right now, people. You have to go and catch the style, yeah. Yeah, man, are good vibes. As me say, look, chicken process. Look, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Ho-hoy! See it there? And in the meantime, look what I go on. It's not a joke thing, people. Jerk chicken, yeah, man, are good vibes. Yeah, man, this is a good vibes car. We're almost at a completion with the first batch of jerk chicken. Look, MAGA still over there, so I deal with the soup. I got the jerk chicken here in the background, people, yeah. So good vibes. You can see the night are forward, you know, so the lights dimming. So we got time against us right now. So I work, said we, man. Chicken and jerk, said we. The curry goat come off of the fire. The rice and peas come off of the fire. Let me show you the rice and peas. Wow, people, so yeah, man, and the jerk chicken me I talk about, you know, so outside and the seat, yeah, so the completion, yeah. It's just coming off the bone. You need to taste this jerk chicken, people, yeah. MAGA boy, and season the one, yeah, perfectly. Big up yourself, people. We're gonna get back outside because we have some more chicken pan the jerk pan. And remember, say we have the whole of the fish them here, so I'm gonna tell you about the fish and tell you how the fish tastes. Just stay tuned, people, yeah. Are good vibes. This is it, you know. The fried chicken. Yeah, man. All right, so what's happening now? The chicken's been frying for a good 15 minutes now in a Dutch pot on a car rim, everybody, yeah. So today the cooking, everything happening, the whole process of the whole cooking, yeah, we're using car rims as our conductor to conduct our coal. You understand, people? Yeah, man, a good vibe. It's an authentic way of cooking yard, man, Jamaican style food. We use car rims back home as well. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So in this pot here we got a pot of soup. Check it out. Wow, good vibes. Yes, everybody, so it's that time where everything is at a what? Grand finale. So look a bit of jerk chicken just yes up on the pan, people, yeah. So a good vibe. Big up yourself. If you've been on the program, locked in, locked on, you don't know if you're a 24-hour kitchen and we're there outside, fully active people, yeah. A good vibes.